Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial for the ELN Learner role. After logging in, the first place you will land is the My Learning page. From this page, you can see your required courses, courses added by you, and your completed courses. On the completed courses, you can click View Certificate at any time to download your certificate of completion. If you wish to begin or resume a course, simply click on the title and you will be taken to where you last left off. Click on the Learning Library in the top navigation to be taken to a full list of available ELN courses. From the top, you can search by keyword, sort by date, title, and duration, filter by content type, status, duration, and other, and search the tag library for keywords. After finding a course that interests you, you can see the estimated duration and what assets are included in this course. Hover over the course tile and click Enroll to begin the course. This takes you to a registration page where you can choose to register now or click No Thanks to be taken back to the Learning Library. If you choose Register Now, this takes you to the cover slide from which you can enter the course. The first page of the course lists the materials and learning outcomes. The course guide is a Google Doc which you will use to complete the reflective and learning activities as you move through the course. You can save this to your own Google Drive or download it as a Word document. At the bottom of the page is the Continue button. You will use the Continue or Back button to navigate your way through the course. After completing the course with a score of 80% or higher, you can complete the course evaluation and download the certificate. Use the Back to My Learning button at the top to exit the course. The Calendar navigation button is used to keep track of ELN live events. The calendar can be searched or use the drop-down arrow to scan by month. Under the tools in the top navigation are quick links to your earned micro-credentials, the ELN homepage, and the ELN community site. Thank you for taking a look at the learner features available on EdLeaders Network. Don't hesitate to contact support@edleadersnetwork.org if you should have any issues with the ELN website. Take care.